Welcome to the vendor training course, Pool Maintenance. In this course, I will give an overview of the correct way to properly maintain a pool based on the order type and what photos are required. Let's begin. Prior to starting, you will want to ensure you have all the necessary equipment to complete the maintenance work. You will need the following: a pool stick that extends 8 to 16 feet, a pool brush. We recommend one that has a blend of poly and metal bristles, as this will work best, a wide mouth pool net with a mesh basket, an empty 5-gallon bucket for removing skimmer and pump basket debris from the property, chemical strips or a DPD tailored test kit to balance the water and determine the chlorine, pH and alkalinity levels, and muriatic acid to lower the pH and alkalinity levels. To sanitize the pool, you'll also need 3-inch chlorine tabs, a chlorine floater, which is left at the property, liquid chlorine for saltwater pools, and shock, which is necessary to raise chlorine levels quickly and or when algae is present. There are two types of pool orders: a pool PB order, which is a biweekly maintenance of a swimming pool or spa, or a pool TP order, which requires a larvicide or mosquito dunk. This is used when the power is off at the property and or water is not circulating and mosquito larva is present. Let's first look at completing a pool PB order. To complete this order, you will need to clean the filter straps, skim the pool and spa free of any debris, including items such as leaves and trash, and check the pool chemicals using the test kit. If you find the pH levels are too high, you will need to lower them by sprinkling muriatic acid along the edge of the pool while walking around the perimeter. In some cases, the alkalinity levels may be too low or even too high. To lower alkalinity levels, shut all circulation off. Then take a gallon of muriatic acid and slowly pour it into the deep end of the pool. You will see the acid descend to the bottom. Make sure to pour the acid over the main drains. Then adjust the suction at the equipment to 100% main drain. No skimmer, and wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes has passed, restore power to the pool pump. Water should now be drawn from the main drains at the bottom to the pool. This process will immediately lower the alkalinity level. To raise alkalinity levels, turn on the skimmer and add baking soda to the skimmer per the instructions. The water level should be halfway up the surrounding tile. The goal is to have half the skimmer hole covered with water. The water utilities must be on in order to maintain proper pool water levels. If the pool loses too much water due to evaporation, equipment can draw air from the skimmer and destroy the pool pump. If a pool is to be maintained, then a pool requires water and electric utilities to remain on to keep daily circulation. Pump operation requirements in the summer months is a minimum of 6 to 10 hours, and in the winter months, 2 to 4 hours minimum. When submitting results for a pool PB order, 15 total photos are required, including all pool equipment, the electrical meter, pool securing, such as a fence, mesh safety cover, and lock gates, breakers related to the pool or spa in the on position, as well as before and after photos of the pool, filters, traps, and water level, and during of the skimming of the pool and cleaning the filters. Now let's look at completing a pool TP order. For this order, you will need to perform a larvicide treatment only if the pool does not have water or electric utilities. This means no circulation. Without circulation, the water will go stagnant and attract mosquitoes to deposit larvae. A brand we recommend to perform this treatment is Mosquito Dunks. You will simply apply the product to any standing water based on the instructions. When submitting results for a pool TP order, you're required to provide the photos showing the pool area secure upon arrival, the larvicide being added to the pool or spa, and photos showing the pool is secure upon departure. With both a pool PB and a pool TP work order, you will want to report the condition of the pool and submit bids if any additional work is needed. Additional work would include, but is not limited to, damage to the pool and or filter, or if the pool needs additional treatment. I hope you found this course to be helpful. To learn more about completing work on pools, view our additional pool-related courses.